How to see repost option on TikTok not showing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the first method is you have to just go in your Play Store and search for TikTok and just make sure you have updated it. If it is not, this option will not show in your TikTok. So now let's go in and simply you have to go in your profile and click on these three bars on the top right and go to setting and privacy, and the option has to be shown here. If it is not, in many countries it is not shown here, so and also in countries like my one, here you have to just go and share, and there you go. So this is how you can fix your repost option on your TikTok app.